How to fix Diablo II Resurrected Infernal Edition crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. Go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Once it finishes the validation, you want to go back to general tab and add the following command to the launch options, which is -dx11. Now you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first link. From here, scroll down to this table and download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the distributables, both of them. Now, once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, you want to make sure that you have the latest graphics drivers installed. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need to use NVIDIA app and go to drivers, and from here download and install the latest available drivers. If you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And once you finish the update, you can open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.